Valentine's Day is around the corner, TikTok, so you know what that means? I'm gonna show you how to make this. Let's do it. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? It's your boy Sean P Films here, and today we're going to be working on some Valentine's Day creations. I got some special things in store for you. I can't wait for you to watch this build out, and I hope you enjoy it. Let's kick it off. So today we will be building these columns. We're going to decorate them up with a little bit of foliage. We got some roses. We got the rose vines, and we got the vine vines. And then a little hanging. That's how it's looking. Working on the Valentine's Day setup. I'm going for more of a Greek theme. I have to still put up curtains from here to here, here to here. But for today, we're going to be building the 2 columns that we need to finish this off. So let's. Okay, so for the columns, I got them online at a bridal shop. I got a 2-pack for about, I think, 97 bucks. So I got 2 packs. I already have 2 assembled, so we need to assemble these last 2. So I'm going to show you guys the walkthrough how to do it. The instructions were like, I mean, they gave me the instructions, but I was still kind of confused. The little folding patterns was a little weird. So I'm gonna help y'all out, and we're gonna get this built, and we're gonna time it. Let's see how fast I can do it now that I've done it twice. Let's go. All of the cardboard pieces. Okay. Alright. What else? Yes. Alright. So these big tall pieces. These are the main pieces. This is the actual column. It's folded like this, but we're gonna fold it an entirely different way. So let's separate it. So the column. And then this is the base for the top. This is base number 2. That's 1 column. So now that we know we got 2 bases, these next 2 bases is for column 2. So put that to the side. This is for column number 2. All right. Now we have inside caps for the top. You really don't see these, so they're not 100% necessary, but it's best to just build it all the way through, and you'll figure it out. So we need 2. Yeah, we need 2 of these. This goes over here, box number 2, and then these are our second steps to the base. It's 2 of them. We need a top and a bottom, so 2, 2. All right, now we got the columns separated. Let's start building this. We're gonna start with base number 1. Okay, this is piece A. This is what it looks like in the back. So our first folding, we're gonna open it up like this. It should look like this. If you flip it on the inside, you can see the lines. That's where we're gonna fold. But we're gonna start with this top piece first. Fold it like so. Fold it. Fold it like so. So it's 1, 2. Can you see that? So then there's 1, 2. See? And then fold these ends in as well. Okay. Put it on the floor so we can do the rest of the fold. And I'm gonna readjust. So up, here, fold out, and it's 2 little side tabs. Fold them in, just like so. And you're gonna repeat this for the other side, and they're gonna connect together. Make sure you fold that in, and then those tabs. Let me come on the angle so you can see it a little bit better. Tabs. You're gonna come up, fold in, just like that. Little holes to connect them to on the side. Strong cardboard. Fold over. Hit these 2 side pieces right here. And then you're gonna fold in.
There you go. Just like that. So you get kind of like a box. You're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Now if you break the inside, duct tape. Piece 2, which is, this is what the pillar is gonna fit in. This is piece 2. You're gonna fold it over like that. You're gonna fold this over like that. You're really making a box. That's all you're doing. You're just making a box. You're just making a box. Hey, make sure you punch out the holes. Start. Fold that tab like that. Then over. Grab you a side, and then you're gonna bend these. You're gonna tuck them in. Tuck them in that square. Yep. It's gonna hold. It'll hold. You're gonna do the same thing for this side. Tuck it in. Just like so. So now you got one side together. Do it on the other side, same way. Square. Now you should have a box like this, like a basketball sitting in it, just like that, and you're gonna stick it in here. Yep, just slide right in. Perfect. That's one base completely built. Extra tabs on the side, don't need it. But that's one, all right? Just repeat the step for the second one, and then you all good. So once you got that built, do it again for the second one. But now we're gonna actually do the big pillar, the round part. Okay, for the next piece, we're gonna be doing the big column. So it's gonna look like this. When you get it, it's gonna fold out like this. But we don't need it like this. We need it the long way. We need 6 feet. So put it down, just like that. Yep. Come on, get out of the way. And then we're gonna roll it over. That's what we're doing, because we gotta get the crinkles back, the square. I mean, you could just, you know, circle it, but I like rolling it. I thought it was fun. Just like this, you know. Pop them creases in. Up. Up. Just like so. Just like so. So you like this. So when you let it go, you get your column look. All right, now that we got it standing, let me move it back so you can see it. So I don't know how far back I need to go. This is it. Just about my height. See, about my height. Now what we about to do? See these little tabs here? We're gonna fold them all in because we're gonna slide them. We're gonna slide them into this slot. We're gonna lock them in. So we're gonna fold the tabs on the edges just like that. Nice and flat. And then pull it in like so. And then slide it in. And now we lock. Now we just do it, repeat the rest for the rest of them. So I'm gonna move back so you can see me doing it for a bit. These rings are just used to help hold the shape of what the pillar is. So you really do not have to use it, but if you want to, you can use it. But I'll show you how to do it. You kind of just like little slots on here. Poke out the hose like that, you can see. Poke out the hose, poke out the hose. See the 2 holes, you probably can't see 2 holes. Overall black jacket, hold, yeah. And you just sit it in, and it's another thing that locks it, and that's it. So the last step that we have to do is just place it inside of the base. And then we get to decorate. So go in just like that. Then you gonna come down, you gonna adjust the edges. There we go. Voila. The next step that we're going to do is decorate this column. So that means that we're going to use these vines and roses to wrap it around. You can get these vines and roses from Michael's. Joann's might carry them. I know Walmart might have it, and Amazon has it as well. You probably spend about like 20 bucks, maybe like 100 bucks at max. But depending on how like detailed you really want to be or the quality of these vines that you're going to use. These are some ones on Amazon for about like a 4-pack for about 20 bucks. So let's go ahead and wrap it around and let's show you how to do it without having to, okay, I need a longer one. Stick this in the back slot of the cardboard so it hangs in and we're gonna wrap around.
I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place.
Looks like I ran out of vines, so that means we gotta take a trip to not Home Depot, to Hobby Lobby or Michael's. So let's go do that.
And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better
All right,
place.
we are at Joann's looking for the white silk sheets. Okay.
And without you, I am just a trace.
This is it.
I love
Just made it back from Joann's and Michael's, so we are decorating the pillar. Here goes some of got some of this. All right, here we are. This is the first one. I just took the vines and wrapped it around. The vines are tucked in the back of here, and then just take it and we just wrapped it around. And it gives you that look. It's the look you get. I'm loving this. This look good. First.